I came to Marion because I really wanted to be in a place where I could make a difference to students, underserved students, underrepresented students, being able to help them navigate their career path into a good paying, productive job. Because I think as a faculty, sometimes unfortunately get into a groove, into a kind of a mindset that it works, let's not try anything different. Let's just keep doing the same thing. When I moved into more of a leadership and administration role, I knew that the vision is very important, that we just can't think to the next semester or 1 year. We've got to think, what do we need to do to keep our students engaged and to meet the needs of workforce 3 or 4 or 5 years down the road. So that long-term vision, I think, is really important, because if you don't have it, you're not going to remain competitive. You're not going to be able to bring students into the program, expose them to these fields. Well, we knew that we wanted to get into this virtual reality space just because there's a lot of stuff that students just can't do physically. So if there was an avenue where they could simulate some of this equipment and get the same experience and get the same sort of training or knowledge, when I saw the platform, I saw how simple the laptop was set up and these various applications which fed directly into a lot of the courses that I taught. My mind was blown. I thought this is something we need to dig deeper into and kind of look at what the offerings were, and we eventually went with it.
In our case, it's giving students the ability to interact with devices that we don't necessarily have the space or funding to allow ready access to. So it widens the opportunities for students just to gain experience. It was easy. Just within minutes, I picked it up, already pulled some students in, 2-3 minutes, they're up and going. They describe it as fun. You see the excitement, just the joy. The lecture stuff for some of the younger generation just doesn't work anymore. So getting in there interactive, and it's things they're already familiar with, and just there's a lot of opportunities.
You know, we built it around a grant, and now we're currently having zSpace come in and do the training, and they've done a fantastic job. They're engaging our faculty. The feedback I've gotten just in a day or a day and a half is super amazing. So we are very pleased with the product and the zSpace team. It's been amazing.